it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. So today's video is going to be on the Sapphire AMD Radeon RX 6400. It is a relatively new graphics card. It's only been out for a couple months. It is the AMD RDNA2 architecture. It is a PCIe 4.0 system card, 4 gigabytes of RAM or VRAM, and a 1080p resolution's kind of its base. It can play or run at higher resolution. It's just that's what it was designed for performance wise. The 4.0 PCIe though, however, is an X16 finger, but it only runs up to a 4.0 X4 speed. So you do lose some bandwidth on it. But let's take a look and see what we get for our $170 plus tax. I think I actually got it for $160 plus tax. For me, it came out to roughly 180 bucks. I'm gonna need something to cut it, so give me one quick second here. We'll go ahead and cut it with a screwdriver tip. So it is sealed on both sides, which I do appreciate the manufacturer sealing those. Turn up the box a little bit here. So inside the main box is the second box, which is pretty common for Sapphire. Inside this box we have ourselves a little manufacturer representative location so that if you have to send it in, and we've got a little quick installation guide that shows the basics in several different languages. We have the GPU, and we have the adapter for the I/O. And this is going to allow it to run in a full-size case as opposed to a small form factor case. So the piece that comes on it is just a single slot, 2 outputs, and it's half height, so it's for small form factors. It does have a little sticky keeping it safe. Little tiny fan, I'm guessing somewhere around 30 or 40 millimeters. And this card is designed, like I said, for 1080p, so nothing extreme. And we have our finger for the X16, which, like I said, is only X4 capable speeds. You've got the cooler, which is a single fan and a small fan. Single slot, no external PCIe power required, just powered through the finger. And then we've got 2 outputs. One is a HDMI and 2 is a DisplayPort. So you got both DisplayPort and HDMI, and they are the newest available ports at the time. So it's, forget what those are. I think it's 2.1 and 1.4, something like that. And then if you want to put it into a full height case, you just take out these 2 screws, pull off the faceplate, swap the faceplate, put the screws back on, and off you go. It does look professional. It's not gaming looking. Doesn't look like a high-end gaming graphics card, which it's not, so it makes sense. Overall, I think that it's going to be great for a project that I have, but I don't think that it's going to be a high-end gaming rig after putting this in. I'm thinking it's going to be a nice budget pre-built conversion. So I'm expecting this to be better than a 1030, a GT 1030, but probably around a GTX 1050 type performance is what I'm expecting. but we'll have to wait and see. But yeah, single slot, no external power, 2 display ports. It does not have some of the encoders that are used by higher end graphics cards, but that's part of the cost savings, is you lose out on those encoders. My understanding is basically 4K video is off the table with this card as well. It's missing the encoder or decoder or whatever that's required for Netflix 4K, but I have not tried it, so I don't know for sure that that's actually the case. But in short, that's the RX 6400. Got to get those numbers right. It is a decent little card from what I've seen. Everything points to it being great for a budget build. I'm looking forward to putting it into a build myself and then seeing if it sells. So I hope that you all found this video informational. If you did, make sure that you hit the like button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button that should be in this general area here, and that way you can keep up to date on our new videos and our community section. And as always, if you have any questions about myself, the product, or the channel, make sure you leave those in the comments section down below or on Twitter @TowersGrey. So, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye for now.